In a world where destructive storms are on the rise, your building needs a reliable defense. Your first line of defense against the elements is the coating protecting it. Don't settle for weak short-term solutions. Introducing your last coat by Global Encasement Inc., a 20-year coating that does it all. The 5-in-1 solution. 1 wins waterproofing, 2 asbestos encasement, 3 lead-based paint encasement, 4 roof restoration, 5 solar reflective, staying green, protecting people, buildings, and the environment. Your last coat is the extraordinary green coating for unmatched protection against disasters. Your last coat offers ease of application for both interior and exterior surfaces using typical painting tools, brushes, rollers, or sprayers. Being water-based, cleanup is a breeze with basic soap and water. 0 VOCs, non-toxic and biodegradable, making the application process quick and pleasant. What sets your last coat apart is its commitment to health and environmental friendliness. Our water-based formulation blending nature and science ensures 0 VOCs, making it safe for sensitive individuals, including pregnant women, children, and the elderly. Tested, certified, and proven, your last coat is an innovative solution designed for both interior and exterior surfaces. It's adaptable to different application scenarios, providing a simple and efficient process with common painting tools. Global Encasement inks your last coat, a reliable choice for tackling challenges while maintaining a sustainable environmental approach. Protect your investment with your last coat. Contact Global Encasement Inc. today for unmatched building protection that lasts.